Guys, this is Sakshi Sagar and today I'll be recreating this amazing celebrity inspired makeup look which is of none other than Kim Kardashian. We all love her makeup looks and I had a lot of fun creating this look for you guys, so stay tuned and keep on watching. First of all, I'll be moisturizing my skin and priming my skin so that it gets a nice and smooth base for my foundation to glide on. Next, I'll be using my Milani Concealer Plus foundation. So I wanted to try this foundation for this look because we need a full coverage for this look. So I'll be going ahead putting the foundation with my Makeup Bible brushes. I'll be taking my buffer brush first and I'll be just dabbing my foundation because we want a pretty full coverage look with this kind of eye makeup. And I'll be taking my beauty blender and just dabbing any extra product and making it like a flawless skin effect. Next, I'll be taking my NARS Duo stick. I'll be just marking out the areas from this cream contour stick in Laguna. And Kim always has this really beautiful, warm toned, and she has a really nice sculpted face. So we are trying to recreate the same look here. So I'll be taking this, blending it with my beauty blender, and I'll also be topping it off with the Hoola contour powder. This is by Benefit Cosmetics. Again, this is a very nice warm toned brown color powder which will just create a stronger contour because we have put it over the cream. Next, I'll be taking my concealer by Too Faced. This is the Born The Way concealer. I'll be putting it on my highlight points. And I'll be just blending it off with my beauty blender, and also I'll be using it on the top of my eyelids so that it gives a very nice base for my eye makeup. So I'll be just blending all of this, and again I'll be taking my Hoola bronzer. So the contour powder, but we'll be using it like a bronzer because we want to give a very nice warm effect. So I'll be taking this with my blush brush this time, and I'll be using it on my blush area as well. So this will give a very nice warm toned effect to my entire face, just bringing the look together. Next, I will be using my NARS blush in Orgasm. This is one of the top blushes in every makeup artist kit. So this will just add the right amount of peachy glow that we need. We do not need too much blush for this look. So I'm just taking this slightly and then topping it off with my Becca highlighter in Opal. So this is a very soft toned, this is not a very chunky highlighter. This will just give a nice gold sheen to the face. So the whole aim of this look for the skin is to make it look very warm. Now I'll be taking my loose powder in Laura Mercier and I'll be just fixing my under eye and the top of the eye with this before starting the eye makeup. Starting off with the eye makeup, I'll be taking these three products. This is the L'Oreal Liquid Liner, the Feline Eye Kohl Pencil by MAC Cosmetics, and the Voluminous Mascara by L'Oreal. Firstly, I'll be filling in my eyebrows with this Kiko Milano Roll-On Eyebrow Pencil which is in the shade 05. So I'll be just filling in all the areas which are required to be filled, and then I'll be combing them in place before starting my eye makeup. Now I'll be taking my Huda Beauty Rose Gold Edition Revised palette, and we'll be using this soft brown color to just warm up the eyes. So I'm using it in the crease and I'm also using it on the lower lash of my eyes, the lower lash line. So this will just give a very warm toned effect to the whole eye. Also, I'll be mixing two shades from this palette and I'll be giving this peachy eye color which I see in the picture. So it's a very slight sheen, it's like a peachy color. So this is called Rose Gold. And I'll also be highlighting just on the tear duct and under my eyebrow bone. So now we'll be taking the Feline Kohl Pencil by MAC Cosmetics and we'll be just filling in the waterline. And you can make your kajal thick. And I'm just taking the pencil brush from again my brush collection and I'll be just smudging the whole kajal and I'll be extending it towards like creating a soft wing. Now I'll be tight lining my eyes, and I'll be also putting a liner with the same pencil on top of my eyelid, and I'll be taking my smudge brush again and I'll be smudging it. So we're creating like a smoky liner, and we're now joining both the wings. From the lower what we extended and from the upper we are joining it to, so just it forms like an almond eye effect. So take your time doing this because we have to make sure that it looks smoky. And now to further make it more black, what I'm doing is taking my L'Oreal liquid liner and just topping it off on the liner that we created. And I'm also creating this inner beak. So we are creating this inner wing as well, so that our eyes look very, very almond shaped. That's our main motive. Take the black eyeshadow and just make sure that it's very black and nice. Now I'm taking my concealer brush and just sharpening the edges of my wing so that it all looks very crisp and nice. Now for the final step, I'll be taking my mascara and giving my lashes a lot of volume, and what I'll be doing is that I'll be taking my lash curler after I put the mascara and I'll curl my lashes. I'm not using fake eyelashes for this look because Kim's lashes look very, very natural and I don't want to go over dramatic. So I'm using the lash curler now to curl, so after the mascara it will give a nice upliftment to the eye. So we are done with the eyes, and now for the lips I'll be taking my favorite lip combo. This is the MAC Cosmetics Spice Lip Pencil and the Bobbi Brown Beach Lip Gloss. So we'll be starting off with lining our lips. So I always like to choose medium nudes for myself. I think they look much better in pictures. The ones which are very, very light just I think give me a very pale skin effect. So I'll be just lining this and filling in with the same lip pencil, and I'll be using a lip gloss which is the Beach by Bobbi Brown. And here we are ready with the final look. This is a soft warm toned skin with a smoky liner and a nude lip. I am loving this look. I hope you enjoyed this makeup tutorial, and if you did, please subscribe, like and comment, and I'll see you very soon. Until next time, bye bye.